Hello everyone, this is Swapnil Kohli. I welcomes you all in my channel. Today we are going to deal with the romantic period important line quotations which are important for our upcoming exams. Friend, I will tell you 11 important line in this video, and in next video we will deal with the 12 or 13 important line of Victorian age. So please do subscribe my channel, and on the screen you can see some group picture. This is a group which is made by me, and where I share my notes with the written notes with the students. And this group, if you want to join in this group, if you are the student of English literature, you can join this group free of cost. And you just have to do one thing: do comment in my do comment, or if you are add with my, if you know me with Telegram channel, or if you are in my group, and I will actually, what I'm going to do, I will leave my WhatsApp number in the description box. Message me from there and ask me to add in this group. Friend, please, only then you come to my group when you are preparing for exam of English literature. If you don't want to do like that preparation, please don't come for waste our time, because each and every student in my group are really very hardworking. They are devotee to their studies. So, and today in 11 a.m. we are going to just discuss British English literature poetry. So let's deal today's topic, romantic period important line. And those who are not subscribing my channel, they will not get their GRF, they will not get their net, they will fail in the exam, because you are reading with my videos and not subscribing my video. So please do subscribe if you want to clear your exam. And let's come to the first romantic period lines. There are the 11 quotations I have searched from books, or every what I've read from previous year questions paper. And something which some two or three quotations are there which are never asked, but they can come or they can ask now, because UGC is growing to be very smart, very intelligent, very hard questions asking question paper. So I have also tried very hard to prepare this. So let's deal with the first question. Man is born free, man is born free, but alas, he is everywhere in chain. So this line has been written by Rusticus. Jean Jacques Rusticus used these dramatic line in this treatise, The Social Contract. From friend Jean Jacques Rusticus is very important. From the beginning 2004 PYQ, if we take, then also there was option about a social contract. And 2005 there was a correct answer, social contract. There was a question, who written the work social contract, and the answer was Jean Jacques Rusticus. And the 2006, that was there was a match to write that G Rusticus to the social contract. 2007 there is also direct question from the social contract. So you can imagine that how important it is. So this time I have kept you a quotation, very famous quotation from this work. So if they ask, we can do very easily this, we can answer it and gain a number. Man is born free, alas, but alas, he is everywhere in chains. So I think you got this. Written by Jane Jessica Rescue, use these dramatic opening line in this treatise, The Social Contract. Okay. Question number second. Oh wind, if winter come, can spring be far behind? These famous words of Shelley have been taken from Ode to West Wind. So Ode to West Wind is very important. Repeatedly has been asked questions. And now what is oh wind, if winter come, can spring be far behind? This famous word of Shelley. So they can ask, this is the famous word written by Shelley, or this word has been taken. So this word has been taken from Ode to West Wind. Let's move to the third quotation. And it is my faith that every flower enjoy the air in breaths. So they can ask that, who hold this faith? So Wordsworth hold this faith. Who hold this faith? Again, repeating once again. And it is my faith that every flower enjoy the air it breathes. So Wordsworth hold this faith. So question number 4. Shelley write in Adonis. I have given a brief description that, because this is my old notes, so I prepared for myself. So very clear, I have making a very clear to understand that the question was that who who wrote this words, or which, who are the, so which, from which work this word has been taken. Shelley wrote in Adonis a portion of the loveliness which one he made more lovely. He. So the work, this work is written by Shelley in the work, in the piece of work Adonis, and for Keats. So they can ask that three type of question can be arise from a single question, single quotation. The a portion for the loveliness which one he made more lovely. So this is written by Shelley in Adonis for Keats. Okay. So question number 5, in which of his poem Coleridge wrote, "O lady, we receive but what we give, and in our life alone does nature live." So this line and this quotation has been written by Coleridge in the Dissection Ode, in which this line has been written by Coleridge in the Dissection Ode. So question number 6 is very hard to pronunciate, but I will pronunciate. Abundantly and extensively sensuous. So this is written by Keats. So to Keats by Arnold. Sorry, I apologize. This line has been written to Keats by Arnold. What? Abundantly and extensively sensuous. So Keats is known as sensuous poet also. So they can also ask who is known as sensuous poet. Keats is known as sensuous poet, and who wrote this line for whom. So Arnold wrote this line to Keats. So 7 is very important line. Beauty is truth, truth beauty, that is all ye know on earth, that all ye need to know. So this is written from Keats' Ode on Grecian Urn. This line has been taken from Keats' on Grecian Urn. So sixth question is, liberty the soul of life shall regain, shall throb in every pulse, shall flow through every vein. So this line is S.T. Coleridge for French Revolution. So friends, they can ask that who wrote this line for French Revolution? The answer will be S.T. Coleridge for French Revolution. So man of England, wherefore flock for the Lord, who day ye low, wherefore wave with the toil and care, the rich robes you trying to wear, Shelley for French Revolution. So this line is written by Shelley from French Revolution. यार ये बेवकूफ़ लोग, what are they doing? Okay, come to the question number 8. But Europe at the time was thrilled with joy, French standing on the top of golden hour and human nature seeming grown again. Wordsworth regained for French Revolution. So this is written by Wordsworth for French Revolution. Friend, 3 questions, last 3 quotation, please see 8, 9 and 10. These are very important and written by different writer for French Revolution. In Romantic period, French Revolution were held. So French Revolution is also very important part of our English literature, because it has many influenced for our, it has been by, but it has written, many of writer in literature has written for the French Revolution. So who has written what is very important. S.T. Coleridge for French Revolution, learn that he has written liberty the soul, life of regain. And Shelley for French Revolution, man of England, wherefore flock for the Lord. And but Europe at the time was thrilled with joy. So this Wordsworth relic for French Revolution. And question number 11c. About which magazine Scott had said, no gentle family can pretend to be without it. Cryle had remarked that it was a king of Delphic or elect, and voice of the inspired for the great majority of what it is called the intelligent public. So it is written by Scott for the Edinburgh Review. So Edinburgh Review is also very important for exam. So please learn for it also. And these all I have making very important quotes for our net point of view. Friend, if you are preparing for net set or any exam, please go through with these lines and learn, as it is very important, and take a screenshot. It will help you. Or if you write, I will say please write in your notebook. In next video, we will be dealing with some important quotations of Victorian period So please do subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Please share with your friend those need this video. Please friend, I really need to whatever. Please do subscribe and help me to grow my channel. Thank you. God bless you all. May your hard work pay soon. Please learn this 11 most important quotations. Thank you.